So this is our problem for loop point method. And for our loop 1, this is our formula V sub 1 minus R sub 1. I1, I3 minus R2, I1 minus I2 equals to 0. So we will plug in our voltage and resistance. So 15 volts minus 7 ohms and 47 ohms. Then we will plug in our resistance to our current. So 15 volts minus 17 ohms of I1 minus 7 ohms of I3. And 47 ohms of I1 and 47 ohms of I2. Then we will add our I1. So we will transpose our 15 volts. So 54 ohms of I1 plus 47 ohms of I2 plus 7 ohms of I3 equals to 15 volts. So for our second loop, the formula will be, so for our loop 2, the formula will be R2 times I2 minus I1 plus R3 times I2 minus I3 plus R4 times I2 equals to 0. So we will plug in our resistance of R2, 47 ohms. And for our R3 is 55 ohms. Then our R4 is 54 ohms. So next we will transpose our resistance to our current. So 47 ohms of I2 minus 57 ohms of I1 plus 55 ohms of I2 minus 55 ohms of I3 plus 54 ohms of I2. Then next we will add our I sub 2. Our I sub 2 is 47 ohms and 55 ohms and 54 ohms. So we will have a 156 ohms of I2. So it will be negative 47 ohms of I1 plus 156 ohms of I2 plus 55 ohms of I3 is equal to 0. So for our loop 3, the formula will be R1 I3 minus I1 plus R3 times I3 minus I2 plus R5 times I3. So we will transpose plug in rather our resistance. So for our R1 is 7 ohms. For R3 it is 55 ohms. And for our R5 is 62 ohms. Then we will transpose our resistance into our current. 7 ohms of I3 minus 7 ohms of I1 plus 55 ohms of I3 minus 55 ohms of I2 plus 62 ohms of I3. Then we will add our I sub 3. 7 ohms plus 55 ohms of I sub 3 and 62 ohms of I sub 3. So we will have a 124 ohms of I sub 3. So it will be minus 7 ohms of I1 minus 55 ohms of I2 and plus 124 I sub 3 for our loop 3. Then to get our delta, we will just plug in our first loop. So it will be 54 ohms, then 47, then negative 7, then 47 ohms of I2, then 156 ohms of I2 and negative 55 ohms of I2, then negative 7 of I3, and for I3 of the loop 2 is negative 55, then for the loop 3 is 184. It will be 55,000 and 155. And for our delta 3, we will just plug in again our loops. Then we will get a 119 and 308 of our delta 3. So to get our I sub 3, the formula will be delta 3 over delta. So we will just plug in our values of delta 3 delta, and our answer for delta 3 is 2.16 amps. It's not